The anomaly is intensifying. Check the sonar.
Confirmed. Signal strength is climbing fast.
Depth is stable at 2,500 meters. Blip is clear. Good. Isolate the frequency and run the model.
Executing now.
Sub, confirm depth. Copy control passing 1,200 meters, all systems green. Pressure is stable, no anomalies. Good, watch for currents.
Adjust.
The feed is stable. Watch for changes.
The currents are shifting. Something's disturbing the sediment. Pressure ratings are spiking.
Enhance the visual. We need to see what's causing it. Adjusting gain and frequency now. Signal is growing stronger. It's intensifying. This is unprecedented. What is that? The readings are spiking. What is it?
Sector N, it's not stabilizing. It's getting worse.
Flux levels are critical. The core is destabilizing. Run a bypass now. We can't afford a breach. Look, new data just came in.
What is it? An anomaly?
Depth readings are spiking. It's not on our charts. Cross-check everything.
Pressure and temp are stable, but this signature is new.
I'll pull the logs now. The screen shows the full mineral breakdown. Quartz is dominant, as expected. A depth profile shows consistent quartz levels. This confirms a stable quartz feldspar composition.
What in the world is that?
It's moving. Is that a structure?
The signal's glitching. It's too deep.
get a lock on it. We need visuals.
This changes everything.
Look at this vein. It's massive.
Incredible. Could be a huge deposit.
A color and texture mark. Perfect.
Yes, this could be very valuable.
Let's be careful. Document everything. All right, prep the ROV miner. Systems check. Copy. Running diagnostics, hydraulics green. Good. Arming the winch, stand by. Winch armed, ready for deployment. Crawler moving steady. Keep it aligned. Copy. Ramp clear, proceed. Final checks, no obstructions. All green, ready for launch. Engage ramp hydraulics. Hydraulics engaged. Depth now at 2.3 kilometers, descent rate steady. Approaching the next geological layer, video feed is stable. Confirmed, telemetry is green, pressure holding. It's rising, closing fast from below. Look at the size of that thing. Thrusters toes engaged, holding position. Contact in 10 seconds, brace. Pressure readings are climbing. Watch for anomalies.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal, but depth variance is increasing. I'm rerouting power to stabilize the drill head.
Good. Monitor for overloads. This vein structure is very promising. High purity, consistent with the survey. We'll need to run assays on these. Look, the rate is climbing.
It's past 12K, projections exceeded.
And still accelerating. Incredible. This is beyond expectations.
Efficiency's at 98%.
Great work, team. Let's get a closer look at this fresh sample. The metallic luster is very pronounced. Under magnification, the gold veins are clearly visible.
All units, report status.
Target acquired. Mission complete.
Excellent work. Stand down. Flawless execution.
Careful with that first one. It's heavy. Got it. Setting it down now. Good. Now the next one. Stacking complete.
We found it! The monolith!
Yes! I can't believe it!
It's real! Look at the readings! This changes everything.
To the team!
To the team! And to history!